Welcome back. PWD's unutilized water storage tank at New Wade has become a reason of worry for the residents. They claim that the tank is in dilapidated state and can collapse at any time. The residents have demanded either restoration of the building or its demolition. Prudent had earlier highlighted this issue.
ती टाकी अशी परिस्थिती ना त्याची लोकांना बिगना सगळे बाहेर चालल्या खयच्याय टायमार ती मोडपा शकता ते वाटेन लोक येता वयता त्यांचे जर पडत जाले ते ऑन द स्पॉट वयतले जेणे करून गव्हर्नमेंटान जाता इतके बेगीन ही टाकी एक तर रिपेअर करची आणि नाल्या ती जमीनदोस्त करची जेन्ना जर रिपेअर करून जर ते उदकाक यूज करीत जाल्यार लोकांक आनी चड बरें दिसतले
ती मोडपा पावली आहा आनी ती अशी स्टेज जी आहा ती केन्नाय मोडपा शकता म्हणून हांव म्हणटा की तेंच्यार PWDन लक्ष दिवचो आनी कसली हानी जावच्या पयलीं तेजे स्टेप घेवचे कित्याक त्या सायडीकूच हायवे आहा आनी हिंगा बस स्टॉपूय आहा ती जर मोडली तर ह्या बशीर पडपाक शकता सायडीक ती घरां आहात ती घरातले लोक रावतात लोक मरपाक शकता
ते वर्सां जाले पूण एका मेंटेनन्स ना काय ना आनी उदीक रातचे सोडटा ते दिसाचे सोडा न्हू कित्याक लोकांक त्रास नाका कित्याक म्हणपाचें कितें म्हाजें इतलें कित्याक ती मेंटेनन्स करचें आनी आमकां बरे भशेन उदीक दिवचें
वर्सां जाली आनी ती एकदम मोडो पावल्या तेगे शिमीट वचून हांगसून सकयलसून पळयल्यार वयर पळयल्यार त्यो सगळ्यो सोरयो कळमेल्ल्यो त्यो आमकां दिसता आनी आजूबाजू इतलीं दुकानां आसून सडक करून तर ती बाक करून बसली जाल्यार आख्खे लोक कितें ते मरो शकता कितें जावं शकता.
The Goa Athletic Association will organize the National Youth Athletic Championship from April 20th to 22nd at Bambolim Athletic Stadium. Around 500 boys and girls from all over India are expected to participate in the championship, which will serve as the selection trials for the Indian team for Nanjing Youth Olympics qualifiers. The competition will be hosted under the aegis of Athletic Federation of India and Sports Authority of Goa. Former Olympian athlete Shiny Wilson will be the chief guest for the closing ceremony.
The 11th National Youth Athletic Championship for boys and girls will be held in Goa, and it will be organized by Athletic Association in collaboration with the Athletic Federation of India and the Sports Authority of Goa. And this will be held from 20th to 22nd April at Bambolim Athletic Stadium, Bambolim.
Our coach has been selected in the India junior team, Patrick Suarez. Yeah, so he'll be training the Indian junior team.
What is Goa's contingent? How many boys and girls?
23 total. 11 boys, 13 girls. Sorry, 12 girls.
We are hoping to do better.
This is a selection trial to select the India team for Asian qualifying for the Youth Olympic Games.
What are the events on the first day and when it will start? Will it start at 6:30 on the first day itself?
7 o'clock first day. Second day it will be 6:30.
And the first day मागीर inaugural
4 events सकाळी घेतले. Heats be morning आम्ही घेता.
How many quota places are there in each category for the Olympics?
Pardon?
How many quota places are there?
No, it depends. No, they'll be bringing the qualifying. Indian coaches are coming. Selection committee members will be coming. So they'll be selecting the team.
Still 2 more days to go for entries to close.
Yeah.
What is the total turnout you're expecting?
Around 500. Because major states like Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, they have not yet sent the entries.
Normally the food is not supplied or given by the
organizers. It's not compulsory. Even unfurnished accommodation they say. But we have said let's give them better because this is the first time we are organizing.
Vaisakhi celebrations were held in the state on Monday. This festival marks a new year of Sikh community. For the Sikh community, this festival commemorates the establishment of Khalsa. People in Punjab regard Vaisakhi as a harvest festival. Here are the celebrations held in the capital city. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.